Bella and this is Snowman. Okay, you guys, stop it. It's just a microphone. I'm trying to make a video here, but these little ones just don't allow me to make videos, huh? Anyways, let's just start the video right now. What is up, you guys? Sorry about the first clip there. My dogs were very hyperactive. So today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record your iPhone screen. So this is already inside your iOS device. You don't have to download anything. So before I show you, make sure to like and comment and share this video with your friends, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. So let's get into the video. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go into our settings application here, and we're going to go to where it says Control Center. In here, we're going to customize the controls. As you see, we have the flashlight, our timer, our calculator, our camera. And so we just need to add the screen recording here. So we'll be able to record our screen just by accessing our control center. And we do that by swiping down on our iPhone or swiping up. Like on my other phone, I can swipe up and you can see that it's right there. Alright, so basically if you hold onto that, you can allow to record your audio, microphone, or off. I'll have it on just to show you how this works. And then once you're ready to record your screen, just start recording. Alright, so it's recording my screen right now. Once you're done, just click right there, and if you want to stop recording, just click stop. And it will save directly to your photos. So here's a video. Alright, so it's recording my screen right now. So there we go. That is how you do it. It's pretty fast and easy. And that is basically it, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. Comment below if this worked for you. And also make sure to share this with your friends. And also subscribe if you haven't done so. That way you are updated every time I upload on YouTube. And that is basically it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Say bye. No, don't get the microphone.